Hello friends, Namaste. How are you? Hope you are doing well. I hope you have revised your previous lessons. Lesson number 1, Swar, and lesson number 2, Vyanjan. Both chapter we have completed. Let's revise once more. These are vowels, as you know. We call it Swar in Hindi. A, I, U, U, Ri, E, O, Ang, Ah. Friends, please note that we have 11 vowels only. You can see here 13 vowels, but actually we have only 11 vowels, 11 swar. These two are not swar, these are ayogvaha dwan. Our next lesson was consonant, Vyanjan. Let's revise once again. Ka, kha, ga, gha, na. Cha, cha, ja, jha, na. Ta, tha, da, tha, na. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Pa, fa, ba, bha, ma. Ya, ra, la, va. Sh, sh, sa, ha. Ksha, tra, gya, shra. So these are the Vyanjan, and these two are additional Vyanjan. These two we are using when we are making words, and you will learn it later how to use this and how to pronounce this. R. This is dh. This is dh. So please note that we have only 33 consonant, 33 Vyanjan. Ka to ha. Ka to ha. These four are not Vyanjan. These four are Sanyukt Akshar, Sanyukt Vyanjan. Because these are made with two Vyanjan. That you will learn it later. I will teach you. Today I will teach you lesson number 3, Swar ki Matraएं, vowel symbol. This is A. For A there is no matra. We are not using any symbol for A. Actually, each consonant has a sound. So A does not change the consonant sound. For A, we are using this symbol at the end of the consonant. For E, we are using this symbol and to the left hand side of the consonant. This is suppose consonant, and here is a symbol of the vowel E. For this E we are using this symbol, and we are using it right side of the consonant. Here is a consonant, and here we are using symbol, vowel symbol. Suppose here it is a ka and here is E, but we are using here symbol. So ka, E, ki, and this E, ka, E, ki. You can also remember that this symbol will come before the consonant for E, and for this E you can remember that this symbol will come after the consonant. Here is a consonant before the symbol, before the consonant, and here is after the consonant. For U, this symbol will come beneath the consonant. For U, this symbol will come beneath the consonant, but this is going to down and this is going to up. You have to remember that for this oo, this symbol will go up and this will go to down. For re also, symbol will come beneath the consonant, but the shape of this symbol is like a C. For A, we are using this symbol above the consonant. For A, we are using these two lines above the consonant. So here you can see one line and here you can see two lines. These both will come above the consonant. This is O. For O, we are using this symbol after the consonant at the right hand side of the consonant. For this O, we are using this symbol at the same place, right hand side of the consonant. But here we are using two matraएं, two lines here above, and here we are using one line above the consonant. You can say here this is not the consonant. This is actually a vowel line. You can see it here. O. The same part came over here. And here also the same part came over here. Suppose here is a consonant and this is this vowels part. So this will become ko if ka is here, and this will become ko. This is ang. For ang, we are using this symbol, means this sign like a dot above the consonant. For aha, we are using these two dots right hand side of the consonant. Now I will teach you that how vowels are changing consonant sound. You can see here ka. If we want to separate a from the ka, then we have to write ka like this way, because all the consonants has a sound, and without any a sound, consonants are incomplete. That's why we have to write it half. With this ka, we have a. That's why we are writing full ka. But we want to separate it, we have to write it like this way. That's why we are not using any matra for a. A already with the consonant. Each consonant a sound in it. You can see here ka with the symbol, and we are using half ka plus a. Why we are using half ka? Because a replaced a. So now a sound will disappear, and in place of a sound we will pronounce a sound. Ka, a, ka. Here ka, here ka. So we have to use symbol in place of vowels. How you have to write? You have to write like this way. Ka and symbol A. Now I will teach you how to use symbols with a consonant. Let's start with the A. I am using only K consonant. K with A, K. K with A, Ka. K with E, Ki. K with E, Ki. K with U, Ku. K with U, Ku. K with Ri, Kri. K with A, Ke. K with A, Ke. K with O, Ko. K with A, Ka. K with Ang, Kang. K with Ah, Kah. Now you heard that consonant sound change when we are using vowels with it. So when you are writing it, you have to use these symbols only. I hope friends you will revise your all lessons. Keep learning. Dhanyavad.